Hey, Katie, where's the elephant at? Can you find the elephant? No? She was on the camera, huh? Find the elephant. Go find the elephant. Where's the elephant at? Elephant? See, that's how she says elephant. And look, it's the elephant with no help from mommy. Good job. She's very good at finding the elephant. Katie. Katie. Katie bear. Katie bear. Katie, is that the elephant? Katie. Katie, what is that? What is it? What is he? What is that? What is that? Is that a kangaroo? No? What is it? You want to switch? I have the zebra. What do you have? What is it? Elephant. I love it. I love how she says elephant. It's so cute. Yeah, elephant. Can you do the elephant sound? You go, "Wah!" Katie, can you go, "Wah!" She lifts her arm up and does it. Like it's her trunk. Okay, well that's cute, but we're going to keep playing. So, we'll talk to you later. Bye.